Wood furniture is a charming addition to any room of the home. Despite the many perks of wood furniture, one downside is the fact that wood is a dust magnet. No sooner do you get your wood furniture all dusted off, than you see a layer of dust already on the surface. Although there is not anything you can do to prevent dust altogether, there are some preventative measures you can take to keep your wood furniture dust-free for a longer period. Step 1. Clean hard floors with a vacuum cleaner rather than sweeping with a broom. Sweeping with a broom moves dust around, which gets into the air and settles onto your wood furniture. If possible, use a vacuum cleaner with a HEPA filter for added protection against dust. Step 2. Use a clean cloth each time you dust your wood furniture. Cleaning with a dirty cloth will reapply dust to the wood furniture and push it into the surface. Don't use feather dusters, which just move around the dust rather than attracting it and removing it. Instead, use a slightly damp cloth to dust the furniture. Step 3. Keep your pets off the furniture. Pet dander is a major contributor to dust and will get your wood furniture dusty more quickly. Step 4. Clean your air and heating vents once a year. This will help to prevent dust that has settled into the vents from being released into the air and, in turn, settling on your wood furniture. Step 5. Change your heating and air filters often. Once the filter becomes filled with dust, it is time to change it. If you leave a dirty filter in, when the air or heat is turned on, the dust is blowing into your home and settling on your furniture. Step 6. Rub a used dryer sheet over your wood furniture after dusting. Fabric softener sheets will help to deter dust from sticking to the furniture. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, to subscribe to the Engineer AJ Lard's channel, How to Make Home.